Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we'll be doing data tables. Data table has two categories, data table with one variable and data table with two variables. In the last tutorial, we had done goal seek. Let us do data table with one variable. What is this one variable? We try to find here the profit when one variable changes. For example, in this question, if we change the percentage sold in the open market, what will be the profit? If we change, suppose we do from 40% to 50%, then what will be the profit? If we do from 50 to 60%, what will be the profit? So let us write the percentage in this column. Right here 30%, right here 40%, right here 50%, then 60%. You can take 80% as well, 90%. Now we have to find the corresponding profits over here in this column. But we have to make the sheet know that we have to find the profits over here. How will this spreadsheet know about it? So we have to give cell referencing of profit over here. We do not have to type it, rather you have to give the cell referencing. Put an equal to sign and select the cell of total profit and press enter. Right? Now the next step is you have to select this entire area. You have to go to data, then you have to go to what if analysis, you have to go to data table. Now you have two options, row input cell and column input cell. Now where do we have to fill what? Row input cell. What do we have it? What do we have it in rows? We don't have anything in row over here as input. Column input cell, we have percentage sold in the open market. So you have to leave the row input cell as blank, and column input cell you have to take percentage sold in the open market. We take this from here and press OK. This is what we get, the corresponding profits. Right? This was data table with one variable. Now we move to data table with two variables. Right here, data table with two variable. It means instead of changing one variable, that is percentage sold in the open market, we also need to take into account the another variable which is also changing. So we take the selling price which changes simultaneously with the percentage. First we write the different percentage over here, right? 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%. And we write the selling price over this side. What is the selling price sold in the open market in the original question? This is 1250. You can take any selling price lower than that or higher than that. I take 1100, 1150, then I take 1200, 1250 already we have, 1300, 1350, 1400. Right? Now what you have to do, you also have to give the cell referencing of profit over here, because how will the sheet know that it has to calculate profit? So in this cell we put an equal to sign and then we give the cell reference of this profit and we press enter. Right? This has come in percentage sign. Okay, you go to home. I'll change this into general. You have to change this. Go home, change this into general. Right? This is the profit. And you have to write this as percentage. This is 30%. Now what you have to do, you have to select this entire area You have to go to data, then you have to go to what if analysis, you have to go to data table. Row input cell, what we have? We have selling price in the rows, see, and we have percentage sold in the open market in the column. So now this both these get filled. Row input cell is my selling price in the open market, I take it, and my column input cell is my percentage sold in the open market. We have selected this and we press OK. This is what we have got. This is the result you can see now, right? This was data table with one variable and two variable. In the next tutorial we'll be doing scenario manager. This is for now. Thank you so much.